Hey guys, it's Camitooth here, and I'm back with another video. I don't know what the thumbnail is gonna be, cause I don't do anything with the thumbnail, because I only did it for those two videos, because I've been needing to do some art for it. And why am I wearing this scarf? Ew. I'm wearing that scarf. I need something color. Yeah, so today's just gonna be me running around tomorrow. So yeah, I haven't got a better screen recorder yet because yeah. So this game is gonna be laggy, so it's gonna be a challenge. So we're going to just play this game randomly and see how far I get. I'm probably gonna die soon. Oh geez, that was a bad move. I just want to catch my tail. Okay, yeah. When you never get noticed. Yeah, I'm gonna act like I'm busy, very busy, so they don't think. So I'm sorry. Very sorry. Anyways, I'm very bored. I have nothing better to do than just trade. So we're gonna go to try to Jamar Township. Do the dab. So we're gonna trade people. See what's on their trade list. That doesn't work very what do you mean by dragon egg? No one, literally. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to my den because I have nothing better to do. Yeah, I have nothing better to do. Yeah, so it's gonna be like a role play, trading stuff. I'm just bored. Hey. Oh my god, I can't spell right. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just basically well, I'm recording today because I didn't record the other day because I was too tired to, and it didn't give me sleep today, so I'm very, yeah. So that's why I want to hear me yawning, yawning in the background of the video. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, she just left. Cool. So the headdress is all the way down there. So I'm gonna make a lot. Can you guys gonna watch me? Yeah. So I'm gonna make a cute look. Yeah. I'm gonna make a cute look. I want to make a winter look, but I can't. Oh my god. Someone calls right when I'm recording. Wow. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. That just happened randomly. I don't know why. It's weird. So, yeah. Yeah, guys. So, please, just please send me stuff for my mail time. And yeah. Wait, I wanted to do something. So, some people think that this necklace is rare. It's by 2. Can you spot the difference? You can't, because it's not real. 26 gems. 26 gems. Okay. I'm freaking out here. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. I'm just gonna stop recording. Bye.